Firstbase.io Honest Review. Watch before using. Firstbase.io is a platform designed to help entrepreneurs easily start and manage a US-based business, no matter where they're located. It's specifically tailored for non-US founders who want to incorporate in the United States, access the US market, and take advantage of its legal and financial infrastructure. The platform takes care of the entire incorporation process, including registering your business, obtaining an EIN, setting up a US bank account, and providing you with a US business address. One of its biggest advantages is that it handles all the paperwork and legal steps for you, allowing you to focus on building your business. Firstbase.io offers 3 pricing tiers: Basic, Pro, and Premium, giving flexibility depending on the level of service you need. The Basic plan covers the essentials like incorporation, EIN, and US address, while the Pro and Premium tiers include additional features like legal document templates, bookkeeping software, and even access to venture capital resources. Another useful feature is the post-incorporation support, such as compliance reminders and assistance with forming a US business bank account, which can be a huge plus for foreign founders navigating the complex US legal environment. The platform's user interface is clean and easy to use, with clear steps to guide you through the incorporation process. It also has a range of partner offers for services like legal advice, cloud storage, and marketing tools that can add value for startup founders looking to streamline their operations. Customer support is responsive, but it's important to note that you might need some patience with more complicated inquiries, especially if you're on the basic plan. Overall, Firstbase.io is a solid choice for anyone outside the US looking to start a business in America. However, the service works best for tech startups, e-commerce businesses, and those seeking venture capital or doing business in the US. If your needs are more complex or you're looking for deep customization, you might want to explore higher-end legal services. But for most founders looking for a fast, easy, and reliable way to incorporate in the US, Firstbase.io gets the job done.